their premium designs. So just to quickly run you through the packaging, so that's the shape of the phone. Basically, it's just a cordless phone. Looks like pretty much like a mobile phone. One of the top designs. The flagship feature of this phone is that obviously it's got an inbuilt answering machine and other features, but the main thing is that you can connect it to the Wi-Fi and to your smartphone, so in that way if your phone rings, your smartphone will ring and you don't have to basically go and pick up your phone. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and do an unboxing. Really nice packaging, matte black finish, and here is the phone itself. So go ahead and right. So the first thing is that it really looks sleek. It's really beautiful, really nice. From the looks of it, it's got a flat. You see, it's got a flat diamond keys. Pretty much, they're not shiny, but they're just matte, and that is one thing. Probably it's got an inbuilt battery, so you can't remove the battery from the phone itself. So just try to switch it on and see if it turns on. Well, it might need some charge, and let's keep this on the side, and that's what else is in the packaging. Okay, comes with a UK standard charger. Rest is a phone clip, RJ15 to a normal standard jack. Batteries from Panasonic. And of course the base unit. So yeah, that's the base unit where the phone will literally hook onto it, and it really fits nicely. It's got a heavy feel. And as soon as you just leave it, it just places itself really neatly, really nicely on the cradle itself. The cradle itself is pretty nicely built from Panasonic, and I think it's either made in Japan or in China. No, it's made in China. And yeah, well, I was thinking that this might be a speakerphone. But this is not the speakerphone. It's just it's just got the electronics inside. But if you guys are interested to get a cordless phone, this is a very nice cordless phone. It's really beautiful, and you can get another set with it, in which you can basically you can extend it. Apart from that, I just got the books in the catalog as usual, as you get with all accessories. So there are a bit of leaflets and the warranties and everything, so not really much. So yeah, so that is the unboxing of the Panasonic cordless phone. Yeah guys, so thanks for watching my video. So this video was for the KX-PRW120 Panasonic cordless phone, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a beautiful phone, and as I said, if you're planning to get a phone, then this is one of the really nice options. Yeah, so go ahead, like, subscribe and share my videos, and if you have any comments, just leave it in the section below and I'll reply to your comments. Thanks, bye.